Feeling stressed or anxious? Let's explore some of the best breathing exercises for beginners to help you relax and rejuvenate. First up, we have deep breathing. This technique helps you take bigger breaths, filling your belly with air. Sit or lie down comfortably. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Breathe in deeply through your nose, let your belly rise, and then exhale through your nose. Repeat this for a few minutes. Next, try breath focus. This exercise combines deep breathing with visualization to enhance relaxation. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and imagine inhaling peace and calm. As you exhale, visualize releasing stress and tension. Repeat with phrases like, I breathe in peace and I breathe out stress for 10-20 minutes. Another great technique is equal breathing. This balances your breath and calms your mind. Sit comfortably and breathe in through your nose for a count of 5. Then exhale through your nose for the same count. Gradually increase the count as you become more comfortable. For those with respiratory issues, pursed lip breathing can be very beneficial. Inhale slowly through your nose for 2 counts. Pucker your lips as if you're going to whistle and exhale slowly for 4 counts. This helps keep your airways open longer. Lastly, try progressive muscle relaxation to ease both physical and mental tension. Lie down and take a few deep breaths. Inhale and tense a muscle group, then exhale and release. Start from your feet and work your way up to your face. Incorporate these breathing exercises into your daily routine to experience a calmer, more relaxed you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wellness tips. Breathe easy and stay relaxed.